Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Zillow stock today and how it could possibly hit $65. We're going to break it down off of the charts because we're going to add this to our simulated portfolio for the long term, i.e. long term to me is maybe a couple of months or so. I'm not talking about for the next 65 years. That's asinine, but I'm not going to get into that. We're going to talk about this stock and why I suspect that the market is turning more into a buyer's market. All right. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, as always, follow me, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel for more of this content, because there's a plethora, there's hundreds, there's thousands of stocks in the market that trades every day. And there's also opportunities that's not being considered in social media or on social media. So I wanted to give you some other content that we can potentially see these stocks trend in our favor in a very simple way. It doesn't require running the books. It doesn't require us listening in on earning calls. All we have to do is pay attention to the price action so that we can see what the market has been doing so that we can try to get ahead of them. All right, so check this out. We're going to talk about Zillow. Okay, we're already targeting $65. I already told you that. Why would I come up with $65? Why would I come up with that number? Well, it's because of this area right here. All the way back in 2022, when the market completely collapsed in 2021, the first opportunity that we saw buyers come in was right around this area right here. Okay, this is where the market actually topped out. When the market bought at the low and it came up, this is where the sellers reinitiated or engaged to push down the price again. Okay, so that's a target, meaning that the market really wants to try to hit this particular area. So what we're going to do is create a sell zone just as a target. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is because we're going to target this area. Okay, now, are there other sell zones before we see price hit this $65 area? Yes, there are. And I'm going to talk about that right now because we cannot forget that these areas here as well is going to play Zillow stock. Okay, so we got these two sell zones here. Now, what trend do you see price currently on? Without me drawing a line, can you see the trend? Here, check this out. Okay, so we all can see that this stock is trending. It's not a severe trend, it's a very slow and methodical trend. Ever since 2022, the market in SoFi has been trending off of this trend line. So you would like to buy the stock off of this trend line, but we are so far away from it right now. So I won't be surprised if the market comes down and tests this trend line again. Don't even be surprised if that happens. Okay, but yes, this stock is trending and is trending up. Let's look at Zillow on the weekly time frame. Okay, and this here is where you're getting market strength right there on that weekly price bar. Okay, you're also seeing it on the 2 weeks. Look at how strong that 2 weekly price bar is right there. This tells us that buyers came in. It tells us that buyers opened up their wallets and bought Zillow because the market closed at the very high of the bar. That's why this current 2 weekly price bar is going up right now. Here it's on the 3 weeks. Again, charts don't lie. This stock is currently bullish. Here it is on the 5. Zillow on the monthly chart. I would like to see in the next 9 days, 9 hours, the market in Zillow close up here at the high of the bar, because it tells me that these sellers are chipping away. That these buyers are chipping away at the sellers at this area right around here. We need to see that happen first for us to see this market run above 60 to 65 though. And currently that's what the market's reflecting, that these buyers are chipping away the sellers. And here it is on the 3 months. And the 6. Okay, so on the longer term charts, this particular market does look bullish. I'm talking about 6 months, 3 months out, it looks bullish. That's it on a 7. And here's Zillow on the 12. The 12 months chart right here, January 2022, the market was down 49.5%. But then in 2023, it ended the year up 80%. And right now we're just down 5.62% from 2023. Okay. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to drop a price prediction for Zillow, and we're going to add it to our simulated portfolio. Okay. I don't want to see the market in Zillow close below this zone right here. I wanted to see at least hold price there whenever sellers come in. But I won't be surprised if we came back down and tested this trend. So I still may continue to go forward with this price prediction, looking for Zillow to go up, even if we see the market come down here. Okay. So now this would be a target already. We already know that price got rejected at $58 to $60. That's a target. Either at the low or the high, that would be a target. At the high, that's 72. That's 11.72% there. Just think about it. That needs to be an area for us to target. And then longer term, like I said, we're looking for the market to come up here to like $65 or so. All right, so we're going to add this to our portfolio, Zillow. And hopefully we can get this market move way before earnings in November. But today's the 21st. And we're going to do Zillow. Price is $54.61. And now we just added it, and now we sit back and wait. Okay. That is it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. What do you guys think about Zillow? Do you think it has enough room to continue to go up in price? Do you think the market's going to go down first, then go up? Or do you think it's going to continue its trend that is started back in May of higher prices? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.